Welcome. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create this beautiful, this elegant birthday poster for Kine. Without further ado, let us jump right into the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright, welcome, and let's jump right into the tutorial. Today we'll be creating a birthday poster design for Kine. Alright, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. This is the person we are creating a birthday poster design. His name is Kine. He's an influencer, he's a philanthropist. His birthday was 2 days ago. The size we're going to be using is the width 1080, the height 350. Alright, cool. I'm going to just leave the background there. So remove this. What I want to do now is to remove background from the images that I downloaded. I'm using the app called Photo Room. It's a free app. You can get it from Play Store. Alright, I'm going to use the badge option. That is, I can remove images background from more than one images at a time. Okay, you can use any application that is available for free, like remove.bg or other background remover. Just remove the background from the image. Just like you can see, I selected transparent, then I export, and then I click save. I've done that. Then I go to Pixellab or import the main image I'm going to be using. So let me show you a trick in Pixellab to import more than one images at a time. Look at this from gallery here. This guy, this one that said from gallery. Okay, you will click it very fast 3 times. 1 2 3. I've clicked it 3 times. All right, then watch. 1, I've selected 1. 2, I've selected 2. Okay, I think it's only 2 that I clicked it, so that is why it brought this 2. All right, so this is one of it. Something's wrong. All right, so let me go back. Something's wrong. So I'm going to start again. 1 2 1 2. All right, so let me just use this part so that it doesn't confuse those persons who are beginners. Okay, I'm going to delete this. So this is this guy I'm going to be using, right? The frame. Then I'm going to click this. I'm going to bring this. This is going to be my main image. All right, let me put it here. It's going to be my main image. All right, so I'm going to do it in such a way that, okay, let's see, crop it. Let's crop it like this. Crop here, bring here. All right. Now look at the image, look at the texture, look at everything. Which background can we use? Look at this particular background. Look at the face of the image. I want to pick color from the face, this guy's face. I'll come here. I'll click on color. I'll click on solid color, and I'll click plus. I'll click on this guy here. Then I'll click on the image, and then I'll select color from the face. So I just selected one color. Okay, one color. So okay, that's it. Then I'm going to reduce it again and bring this here. So what I want to do is this. I want this to be here like this. All right, reduce this. All right, so what should I want to do now? I'm going to copy this image. I copied it, right? Then I will hide it. Then I'll send this one to the back like this. You get it? Then I'm going to come here again and I'll bring this one to the front. Now when I bring this one to the front, I'm going to put it here like this. Now I will focus on removing some part of the image. this, the one at the front here, I'll remove eraser, I'll remove, increase this, then I'll remove here, increase it, I'll remove all these parts. Okay, so let's check, put it there, make sure it's sitting properly. All right, okay, let's look at it, look again. So I'm going to remove this down part, the button there. So let's go again, increase this, remove here. Okay, all right, remove it again. Okay, so this is what we have. Then all right, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's touch here. Let me just remove part of this corner here. So this is what we have. Are you seeing that now? So it's now looking like the picture is actually bulging out of the frame. Are you seeing that now? So after we've done that, we can bring other things to this design. So I'm going to go here, I'll click on noise, I'll add noise to the background, but I'm going to increase this. Okay, let's do this, just a little of it, let's enhance it. Then let's go to saturation, increase it. See that now? So let's not forget his name and then the other images. So I'm going to bring this image right here, this one. Okay, so where do we put it? Where do we put it? Where do we put it? So let's put it somewhere here. All right. Okay, so the name is, come here. Sorry. So this is the name, right? So let's look for a decent font. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay, very cool. So I'm going to close it up here like this. Don't forget to like this video, and you can share it with a friend. All right, so I'm going to use this to add some kind of let me call it texture pattern to the background. Not this. Then I'll come here and I'll reduce the opacity like this. I'll send it to the back. Then I'm going to bring in one of the images that I'm going to use to also fence in the background, like this guy here. So I can just come here like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Come here, go to this, reduce this, still reduce it. Right, drag it, bring it here. Alright, so let's bring this like this. Let's take the opacity down like this. Alright, let's send it. Let's increase it. Okay. Alright. Back. Alright, so this is what we have. We're not done yet. So I'm gonna come here. Alright, here. Match. 16th. Alright, I'll come here. I'll select the same font that was used. I'll reduce it. I'll increase the spacing. Not that one, this one. I'll increase the spacing like this. Alright, so you see how simple it is, straightforward, but very, very cool. But there's something I want to add here. So it's a birthday design, so I'm going to add happy birthday here. Happy birthday like this. I'm going to use this guy. What is it? This. Alright, so okay, like that. Very, very easy. Alright, so there's one color that is missing in all this guy. One color, if I'm adding one color, it's going to make everything looks very, very top notch. I'm going to add a red to it. So red, I'm going to come here. So come here like this. Alright, so just put enable. It's going to turn to red. Right, you see it adds a very beautiful texture to the whole design. So what's going to be there? So it can just be anything that you want to put there. So I'm going to put some of the things that it is. So I'm going to write here influencer, philanthropist, is he a singer? I don't know whether it's a singer, but let's just put something there. Okay. Alright, so I just put this information here. I'm just going to come here and I will remove this like this. Guys, I will remove this, okay? Alright, don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. So when you are done with your creation, you want to go ahead and save it, your design. So I want to add this outline here. When you are done, just click this button here, click on save project, and you can save it to the name birthday flyer. Right, that's cool. That is all. Thank you for watching to the end. My name is Niyi, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Do it or like it. Please like the video so that more persons will see it. Drop a comment, let me know where you are watching from, and then if you want to download the resources used, check the description, you will see it.